To start a chat with a classmate or a teacher, click on the speech bubble icon on the notifications bar. A side menu will show up with three different options: your Start Contacts, Group Chats, and Private Chats. To start a chat, click on the name of the contact, or, if they do not show up here, go to the search top bar and type their name. Type your message and click Enter or hit in the airplane icon to send your message. You can also delete messages by placing your cursor on top of it. A trash bin icon will show up. You can click on that one and it will delete your message. To hide the chat menu, click on the bubble speech icon.